What's up, Jeff? Come check out this backyard. Hey guys, this is Jesse here to show you another awesome project by Oregon Outdoor Lighting. On this project, we really focus on the landscaping. So behind me, you'll notice that we highlighted the water feature and the trees around this awesome walkway. When you have an island like this at your home, a lot of questions come up of how you can get lighting there. Luckily for us, there's a sleeve that goes to this island. We are able to vacuum string our line through, and that's how we get these well lights here and the spotlights around to highlight up the tree. In this case, our client always uses a side door instead of their main entrance. So what we did here, instead of using path lights, we used a mini well light with a frosted lens, so there's no glare as you're walking by. Then you'll notice to match the island, we also highlighted the hedges using the mini well light as well to highlight up those as you're pulling in. To get to the back, we use a V3 spotlight to highlight up the trees, and then we also use a P10 path light to spread light across the driveway. So being from Rip City, we love basketball. So on this basketball court here, we use a mini well light again to highlight the perimeter edge. The other awesome thing to extend this view was highlight up the big fir trees behind us. What's up, Jeff? Come check out this backyard. Back here, we use a P10 path light again to match the front on our way up to the pool deck. And then you'll notice around the back here, we use spotlights to highlight up the trees. Now that we're up here around the pool, we surrounded the entire perimeter using the Evo ground light to give a really cool look up on the boxwoods. So you'll notice behind me there's a key tree in the backyard, and without it, it would really throw off the balance of the light. So what we did here was use a large well light in the ground, that way when the landscapers come, they can just mow right over it. So most of the time the pool's got all the kids in it, splashing, playing, having fun, screaming. But then over here, we got the adults enjoying the fire, maybe a beverage, but we really wanted to create an environment they could be surrounded in. Just another little attention to detail thing we focus on here is what you also see from the inside of the house, but then once you get out into the yard, and you look back at the house, what you see as well. So here you'll notice the trees behind me have two spotlights on them from both of those perspectives. All right, you guys, here at Oregon Outdoor Lighting, it's never goodbye. We'll see you soon.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.